How to edit text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page, where you can view all your messages. Once you're here, open any message from your inbox. Then, tap on the chat box. Once the keyboard appears, type in your message. Now, send the message. Once done, hold the message that you have just sent. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Select the Edit option from the menu. Then, customize the message as you want. Once done, tap on Send. The recipient can see that you have edited the message. So by following these simple steps, one can easily edit text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.